How to use discounts and sale prices to increase sales. Savvy business owners know how to use discounts and sale prices to increase sales, but many don't know how to use them effectively. Here are 5 tips to get the most out of your promotions. 1. Use discounts to attract new customers. If you're trying to attract new customers, offer a discount on their first purchase. This will give them an incentive to try your business. Make sure the discount is significant enough to entice them, but not so high that you lose money on the deal. 2. Use sale prices to increase the sales of slow-moving items. If you have items that aren't selling well, put them on sale. This will help clear out your inventory and make room for new products. 3. Use discounts to get rid of old stock. If you have older products that are taking up space, offer a discount to get rid of them. This will make room for new inventory and help you avoid having to mark down the items later. 4. Use sale prices to boost morale. If your employees are feeling a little down, offer a sale on employee purchases. This will give them something to look forward to and possibly increase sales at the same time. 5. Use discounts to build loyalty. If you have loyal customers, offer them a discount on their next purchase. This will show your appreciation for their business and keep them coming back. Discounts and sale prices can be a great way to increase sales, but you need to use them wisely. Follow these tips to get the most out of your promotions. If you found these tips helpful,